Person needing certificate goes to selfservecertificates.com and enters email address. Then selects Continue. Person needing certificate enters password that was provided in the activation email. Select Continue. Holder name and address is entered. Select Continue. Completed certificate is displayed, including name and address of holder and authorized signature. Use Adobe Reader to print, email or save. A copy of the certificate is automatically emailed to both the insured and agent. If more holders need to be entered, click Back button.